I am here at, oh shoot, Picked Clean, Jim Hogg Park at Lake Georgetown. Goodness, it took quite a while to get here. Oh shoot, this is cut off. I actually seen this earthwork here in multiple spots around Lake Georgetown. Wow. Oh wow. And I was like, oh, maybe it's, restricted area. I was like, oh, maybe it's a modern construction, but look at that mound. Like, these are square. They're different shapes. There's usually 2 or 3, and they're like tanks. They're like water reservoirs, but they're I think they're ancient, and I should visit multiple sites to see. But I came for some raspberry picking, which it looks like I'm gonna have to. I don't know. I think I've been to this park before, and it's quite a little hike to the lake, but I don't even know. I lost all orientation. It's been a few years. Holy goodness. Look at how mechanical that looks. They got the marrow out of there and everything. Wow. Kinda spooky. Well, on the map it definitely looks like something. Look at this big dome thing. Just so you can see, I should come look at some more of these, but kind of looks boring. So many clumps of fossils. Straight from the bath. Here's the reservoir tanks from another corner. I believe this hopefully goes to the shore at an accessible point with rocks and raspberries. But just like how close the forest is to that, like where would they have gotten the dirt to build that up in any modern amount of time? I don't wear pants with all this high grass. It's very natural. Animals rule this place. So great today. Put on sunscreen even though the risk is not so high today. Everybody's on the other side. Heron. rocks here. I love that. I don't know what it is. Whoa. Rocks way out here too. Wow, what in the world is this? Strange. Burials? I don't know. They don't look that tidy. It's like a big circle. Spread out even. Look at these. That's cool. Lots of native plants, I'm guessing. Oh, cool. I don't know if there'll be raspberries down here. Everybody's on the other side. Shit. Oh, that's crazy. There's a lot of uneven geography here. Can you see the bird? There he is. I found 0 raspberries, but this crazy cave. This place is crazy. Used to be a waterfall. I mean, it still is. Cave shelter place. Little pool with a lot of debris in it. Caves. Is this like a cenote? They got sacrifices down in there. Quarried edge. This one's kind of spooky. Because it looks like you're going into the mouth of a skull. Cave shelter. Should I go beyond there? This is all a mess here. And hike up there. On the other side, how am I gonna get back to my car? Oh boy. It's like time to go home and make dinner already. It's crazy. It's so smooth. Jesus, Jesus. Wow. It's so black though. People been carving in here. Look at that bark. Wow. Okay, that was worth it. This is spooky though. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus. Jesus. You know what they do in caves. Not my speed. Alright. Enjoy. Alright, mission accomplished. What are you, hard? Fish, basically. Can't say I didn't get what I wanted. Look at this ancient quarry though. They took it right off and left them. The shore, the cave down there, I didn't do too bad. I'll just show you the agriculture here. This must be companion planting these two plants together. I'm not sure. But just so many everywhere.